we made it. Last 2004, a new chapter of our lives opened for us, our high school life. Now, as this chapter draws to an end, there will always be a smile for triumph and tears for goodbye. It is very sad to look back at our past because we were filled with happy memories from all those years that we spent together as friends, brothers, and sisters. And now, I would like to extend my greatest gratitude to all of you because all of you here today have been part of my life. I would like to thank my teachers and mentors who had educated me and us. They have nurtured and molded us to become a better person in this world. And most of all, they changed our lives. To my friends, thank you for the wonderful memories. Thank you for the wonderful memories that we have spent together. And thanks sa inyong love and care, kag sa inyong support, bisan siklado ng stroke. Pero okay lang na siya. Hindi tayo ka magandaan malintay. And now, we are mature. We are not kids anymore. We're all grown up and may we gain success in our chosen careers. And most of all, sa family ko, sa kay nanay at kay tatay, madabot din niyo salamat kahit saan pasaway lang ko perme. Still, you're always there and besides, kung wala ka mo, wala man kunin kanin subong. Salamat sa pagpadako niyo sa akon kag sa inyong padayon ng pagsuporta at pagpalangga. Nay, tay, I love you. Palangga gid ka mo. And the same goes to my brothers and sisters. And again, to my friends, good luck and I love all of you. May we survive out there, for this time it will be more difficult and challenging. Just rest for a while, but don't you ever quit. To our younger brothers and sisters, the lower years, good luck and study hard, for each and every one of you, of us, are the hopes for the future. You still have the power to change the world for good, to make it a better place for us all. Kaya sa tanan nga ari man dito madamo din salamat.